go.
Wow, that's a nice looking radiator.
So here is the cap.
Man, that's the nicest thing on this tractor. There you go, you got it. There's one.
There we go.
There you go. I think I'm gonna go paint this up real quick. I'm gonna paint this black. Alright, there's one. Alright, so here's a brand new radiator hose. And then we got this second little hose here. So I already put my hose clamps on. Slide it in there. There you go. You got it. Which I want to share with you guys in case you're in the same boat that I'm in. No big deal. It's super simple. So this new radiator here, the bolt holes that go in are not threaded. So now we are ready to add some water. I do have some antifreeze coolant, you know, but until I check for leaks, I'm just going to add water because I don't want to waste all that coolant if there is a leak, you know. So let's just add some water.